When d becomes less than lambda, circuit dimension is very small compared to operating wavelength. No phase shift of signal due to virtue of distance. So radiation is very negligible. They do not radiate. In field domain, F is 3000 megahertz, lambda is 10 centimeter, circuit dimension also 10 centimeter, electric medium is free space. Waves means it is E and H fields. Instead of power is equal to voltage and current, I try to use the word energy is equal to H nu. A total power is equal to integration of E cross H ds. So this is the expression for power in the field domain. Field domain dimension of the components is equal to dimensions of the wavelength.